Hello guys, welcome to the HTML crash course for beginners. In this video, we will learn about the HTML code elements. My name is Kafi and welcome to my channel mods.dev. Please subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I release a content on the channel. With that said, let's get started. In HTML, we use the code element to define a fragment of computer code within a document. It is typically used to display snippets of code and programming commands. So let's say you are writing a blog article and you need to write a computer code to be displayed in your web document. You should use what? The HTML code tags. So when I define or when I write a code using, let's say for instance, the paragraph tag, I'll just go ahead and write console.log hello world. So this is just a normal JavaScript code that is used to print something to the console. You don't have to understand it, but I'm just trying to use it in this example for you to see. So when I write this with the paragraph tag, you see that it is just displayed as what? A normal paragraph. Let me zoom in. It's displayed as what? A normal paragraph tag or a paragraph element. So I'll go ahead and then write the same code using what? The HTML code tag. So I'll just go ahead and write code. So it has the opening and closing tag, and in between the opening and closing tag, I'll just copy this code again and then paste it here. And when I save, so you see that it is being displayed differently with a different font family as compared to what? The normal HTML paragraph. So this is what? The HTML code element. So let me just go ahead and then comment this one out. And when I save, so this is how we can write code in our HTML document using the HTML code element. So I'll just go ahead and then let's say write another one in Python. I'll just say code, I'll say print, then in parentheses I'll say hello world. So when I save, you see that it is being displayed nicely as what? A code in our browser or our document for us to see. So that is it. So that's all for this video. Please, if you have any question, put them in the comment section for discussion. Please subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I release a content on the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.